that the spotlight is back on the language debate. The language row that is now reignited by former Indian cricketer R. Ashwin. Well, during a graduation ceremony at a private engineering college in Chennai, he asked the audience of how many of them understood English, how many speak Tamil, and how many of them are Hindi speakers. As the Hindi speaker's response was minimal, he apparently wanted to proceed the conversation in the language with maximum response, that was Tamil. And he further added that Hindi is not a national language, but an official language. Take a look as far as what happened at the event and what Ashwin was heard saying.
Okay, HOD is not going to buy him. Right, just wanted to throw it a little open. I asked them several times whether this is a formal occasion. Just going to throw it here. English? Okay. English students in the house, give me a A. Okay. Tamil? Okay. Hindi? Varavela. Hindi? Okay. Ella sollan nancha adu nama national language illa adu official language ne. Seri. Anyway.
Well, Dhardni is joining us right now. Dhardni, now this has reignited as far as the language debate here is concerned. What happened at the event? How many speakers were there? Even when it comes to the people who understood the languages, whether be it English, Tamil or even Hindi. And did R. Ashwin then continue to speak in Tamil to address the people?
So this was a convocation event at a private engineering college that happened in Chennai yesterday, and R. Ashwin was invited as the chief guest for this convocation event. And before he began his speech, Ashwin wanted to know what language is primarily understood by the students who are sitting in front of him. So he asked the students of how many of them understands English, Tamil or Hindi, and he got the most amount of noise for Tamil. So Ashwin proceeded with talking in Tamil, but he also made a one-line statement telling that Hindi is not a national language, but it is only an official language. So as soon as he made this one-line statement, he went on to speak his mind about cricket and engineering. But this one-line statement by Ashwin is now turning into a war of words between the ruling GMK and the BJP in Tamil Nadu. The GMK is in complete support of Ashwin's statement. They're telling that India has tens and hundreds of languages spoken from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and one language alone cannot be touted as the national language of this country. What Ashwin said is completely and absolutely true. It is appreciable that Ashwin is making such a statement among students so that they also know the truth is what the GMK says. But on the other hand, the BJP has a different opinion. They are telling that the majority population of India speaks Hindi, and that Ashwin maybe should understand this fact before putting out such statements in public forums, is what the BJP has to say.
All right, the war of words that has now started off with this event where R. Ashwin was present as the special guest there. Let's talk about how the DM